Hi guys, it is time for day 2, and just like yesterday, I'm going to try and challenge you. So I'm going to show you the letters again, and you have to tell me what picture or keyword we use to remember that letter. So here's your first set of letters. What's a picture? If you said queen, you were 100% correct. It is Q-U, queen. All right, what do I do for this one? Do you say dog? Because it is dog. It is D, dog, D. Okay, another one. Bingo! You said up, and that's how we remember it. You, up, Oh, another one. You're a rock star. It is man. It is M, man, Oh, how do I remember this one? I hope you said ham, because it is A-M, ham, am. How do I remember this letter? You got it. It's kite. K, kite. Okay, now we're going to some trick words, and I'm going to say this every single time, but trick words are words that are trying to fool you because you can't sound them out. You just have to look at them and know them. So, we have some new trick words this week. Let's learn them. My first one, this is where. What's the word? Where. Spell it with me. W-H-E-R-E, where. This is a tricky one because a lot of us like to say that this is the word were. But I'm going to tell you the trick that helps me remember this. If it were, it wouldn't have an H. And so I always remember that where has the H in it by saying where is the H. And so if I see that H right there, I know that this word is where. I could use this word in a sentence, and it would be a question sentence like, where are you? Or, where is the dog? Okay. Our other word, it looks a lot like where. But instead of having WH at the beginning, it has TH. And my smart first graders know that TH says, so this is where, this is there. This word answers all of my questions that start with where. So I could say, where is the dog? And then I could answer and say, there is the dog. It answers it. So this is the word there. Please spell it with me. T-H-E-R-E, there. Good job. And now I have this word. We had where, and we had there, and this one looks like it, but it's just a little bit different. This is the word here. Say that word, here. Spell it, H-E-R-E, here. But this word also helps me answer those where questions. Where have you been? I've been here. So I have some sentences. My first sentence, read it with me. Where is Tom? And you see it has a question mark at the end because I'm asking you. I want to know, where is Tom? Okay, put your goggles on. Tell me what word I just circled. Where. Good job. I circled where. Okay, let's look at the second sentence. Tom is there. And I told you that this word there answers my where question. So I asked you where Tom was, and now I'm answering and saying Tom is there. Goggles back on. Tell me what word I'm circling. There. Good job. Last sentence. Let me move my face over. Tom is here. Again, I said where. I answered. The first time was there. This time I'm answering with here. All these words go together. Goggles on. Tell me what word am I circling? Here. Good job. I want you to read these words with me. The first word I circled is where. The second word I circled is there. The third word I circled is here. Awesome job. Okay, so this is the picture that tells me you need to go get something to write on. A whiteboard, a piece of paper, something to write on. I'm going to get mine out. Pause your video. Okay, now that you have something to write on, and I'm bigger, because you're going to look at my board. Okay, we are going to start by doing our sounds. So I'm going to say some sounds. You're going to write them. But I'm going to write them too. And so I'm going to say 3, 2, 1, show me. And you're going to show me my board, and we're going to see if our answers are the same. You ready? Here we go. Tell me what says all. So write down what says all. You ready to show me? Let's see if our answers are the same. 3, 2, 1, go. How'd you do? Good? Okay, so you should have A-L-L. First graders, why do I have a box around it? Because it's a glued sound. Very good. Why do I have a star? Oh, for my bonus letter. Good job. Okay, if you have a whiteboard like I do, you may erase. Okay, next sound. Tell me what says ol. Okay, write it down. What says ol? 3, 2, 1, go. How'd you do? You have an L too? Good. I didn't mark this one up. There's really not anything for me to mark up. But do you remember, is L a consonant or a vowel? It is a consonant. Very good job. Okay, erase if you have. Here we go. Tell me what says ch. What says ch? A 3, a 2, a 1. Show me! How did you do? Did you get a C? Good job. Okay, and if I wanted to mark this up, I would underline my digraph. CH is a digraph, so it gets one line because it gets one tap. Words like chin, I tap ch, that ch sound just gets one. Erase the last sound we're going to do. I need to know what says, write it down. Here we go. Show me in 3, 2, 1, go. Good. Solid. Okay, so I have an F, and the most important thing when we write our F is that it gets this little hook at the top. If I don't have this hook, it looks like a, well, let me do it this way. It looks like a T, and that is not what I was going for. I want an F. Is F a consonant or a vowel? Oh, it's a consonant. Good job. Okay, let's do some words. Okay, today your word is zaps. Like she zaps me. Zaps. Tap it with me. Zap. Zaps. Okay, say sometimes right. I'm going to do it too. Okay, I'm ready. Show me your word. How'd you do? Okay, so I put a Z for Z, an A for A, P for P. And then I did that Heidi thing. I hid something behind my back. That's my suffix, so I put an S for my suffix. Now let's look at how I marked up the word. I underlined my base word. First grade, what is my base word? Zap. Very good. Then I circled my suffix S. And then I put another S, and this S tells me that my suffix says S. So it's zaps. Awesome. If you can, erase. Your next word, tugs. What's your word? Tugs. Tap it for me. G. Z. Tug. Tugs. Okay, write it. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, reveal your board now. Ooh, I like it, I like it. All right, I put a T for T, a U for a G for G, and that sound that I hid behind my back is my suffix, and I put an S for that. Okay, I underlined my base word. First grade, what's my base word? Tug. Very good. I circled my suffix S. I forgot to tell me, does it say or Z? Can you help me with that? tugs. What should I put up top? A Z, very good. So I'm going to put a Z with 2 lines. And then something that I just remembered that I forgot to do on the last word is I marked my vowel. I noticed that my U says and so it needs a brief. I forgot to do that on my last one. My bad. Okay, we're going to do one more word. Your next word is quits. What's the word? Quits. Tap it with me. Qua. It. Quit. Quits. Pause your video and write it. And show me your board. This one has a lot on it. A lot. So let's look at it just a little bit at a time. Let's look at our letters. Just the letters. Qua is Q-U. It is I. T is T. And that sound I hid behind my back is my suffix S. Okay, the first thing I did was I circled Q-U. Do you remember what we call Q-U? Buddy letters. So I circled my buddy letters. The second thing I did was I put a brief above my I because is my I short or long? Short. Very good. And then I marked up my base word. My base word is everything but the suffix. So if I look at that, my base word is quit. Good job. Then I circled my suffix. And I said that it says, I put an S with 2 slanty lines. Do you agree that it says, is it quits? Absolutely. Great job today.